Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, running boards, dual airbags, power steering, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, compass, fog lamps, electronic stability control, bed liner, power door locks, tachometer, brake assist, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, front wheel independent suspension, four-piece floor mat set, low tire pressure warning. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.